The Valley of Dry Bones, a vision of hope. Did you know that an ancient vision from the Bible once brought hope to an entire nation in despair? A vision so powerful that it transformed dry, lifeless bones into a mighty, living army. Make sure you watch till the end to witness how this mysterious prophecy is not just an ancient tale, but a message of revival and hope that still resonates today. The Valley of Dry Bones, a vision of hope. The prophet Ezekiel's shocking vision. In the Old Testament, the prophet Ezekiel was taken by the Spirit of the Lord into a vast valley filled with scattered, dry bones. It was a scene of utter devastation, a graveyard without graves, representing the complete destruction of the people of Israel. God asked Ezekiel, "Son of man, can these bones live?" A haunting question that seemed impossible to answer. Ezekiel, overwhelmed by the sight, responded, "Sovereign Lord, you alone know. The divine command, speak life into death." God then commanded Ezekiel to prophesy over the dry bones, saying, "Hear the word of the Lord. I will make breath enter you, and you will come to life." As Ezekiel obeyed and spoke the words, something extraordinary began to happen. The bones rattled and started moving. They came together, forming skeletons. Then, tendons, flesh, and skin appeared, covering the lifeless frames. Yet they remained motionless, until God gave Ezekiel another command, the breath of life, a miraculous transformation. God instructed Ezekiel to call upon the four winds to breathe life into the bodies. As he did, the breath of God entered them, and the lifeless figures stood up, forming a vast, mighty army. This incredible moment symbolized the Yaakov, restoration of Israel, a people who had lost all hope. God was telling them through Ezekiel that he would bring them back to life, renew their spirit, and restore their nation. The hidden meaning, a message of revival. This vision wasn't just about Israel. It carries a universal message. No matter how hopeless a situation may seem, God has the power to restore, renew, and breathe life into what appears to be dead. Have you ever faced a moment where everything seemed lost? Where you felt like dry bones in a deserted valley? This prophecy is a reminder that even in the darkest times, restoration is possible. All it takes is faith, obedience, and the breath of God. Echoes in history, a pattern of revival. Throughout history, this message of revival has played out time and again. Nations, individuals, and entire communities have risen from the ashes of despair to new life. From the Israelites returning from exile to spiritual awakenings across the world, the prophecy of the Valley of Dry Bones continues to inspire hope. Modern-day relevance. What it means for you today, this vision is more relevant than ever. Whether it's personal struggles, broken relationships, or societal despair, the power of resurrection and renewal still applies. God's message to Ezekiel remains true. Life can emerge from even the driest of bones. The power of faith and restoration. So, what does this mean for you? It means that no matter how impossible your situation may seem, restoration is always within reach. Just like the dry bones came to life, you too can experience renewal and transformation. Make sure you watch till the end to let this message of hope sink in. If you found this story powerful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biblical insights and inspiring content. What are your thoughts on this vision? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.